did you flash a search warrant signed by you, omitting a judge's signature?
I don't remember who had a physical copy of the search warrant.
Well, I have a copy of the search warrant that you left at my residence on April 23rd. It omits a judge's signature, but it's signed by you on the face of the warrant. Do you remember signing the search warrant to my residence, 1412 West 6th Street?
There is a filed copy for your residence with a judge's signature on it on file in the clerk of court's office, yes.
I said, did you enter the home with a copy that was
I don't remember. There was several officers inside the residence with me.
Well, I would like to present a video search warrant he entered my home with. I got the actual video footage of them executing the unsigned search warrant signed by Investigator Brian Vanscyoc on the face of the warrant and amidst the judge's signature. It's a violation of the Fourth Amendment right. The Fourth Amendment requires that a search warrant be signed by a judge or a magistrate, not by an officer, and he took it upon himself to sign the search warrant instead of getting a judge's signature. So for that reason, all evidence should be suppressed.
We're getting ahead of yourself here. First of all, we have to have the evidence introduced. Do you have a DVD, something that you want to have played?
Yes.
It can't be played on your computer. It's got to be played in a way so it's visible to all people in the courtroom, and you haven't made any arrangements for that to be done. So the best thing we can do at this point is you can give us the video or the DVD. We'll mark it as an exhibit and put it in the record, and I'll have to view it privately when I've got an opportunity to get to a machine where I can look at it, okay?
Well, I filed it with the courts several times, and for some reason it was never filed, but I do got a copy of the receipt from the clerk of courts that proved that I filed it on March 24th.
So I don't have the hard copy of the file here because the hard copies don't exist anymore. They're
I filed it
digital, and it'll be in a separate place in the clerk's office where they keep the exhibits. We didn't bring those here today because we didn't ask for them to be here. So we'll have to do it that way. I'll have the clerk's office look to see if there is the DVD in the court file that you filed before. I'll do that one. If I don't have it to do, I'll have to let you know, okay?
Okay. I filed the hard copy and also an electronic copy of the warrant being executed by officers other than him. His name is just signed on the face of the warrant.
I understand.
But I filed the hard copy and the electronic copy, but it has never been addressed. So this is a copy.
Hang on to that, and I'll make sure if there's one in the court file, we don't need another one.
Okay, well, I would like to get this to the DA again. I'm handing this over to the DA record.
Okay.
This is the executing unsigned search warrant at my residence on April 23rd, 2015. This is a violation of my Fourth Amendment right. All search warrants should be signed by a judge or magistrate. I'm also handing the DA a copy of these unsigned search warrants that was presented to me. These are all unsigned search warrants, affidavits, and returns. They had a wrong issue date, and they also they're not signed by a judge, wrong issue date, plea title errors, and these were given to me while I was sitting in Racine County Jail. So that's again right there the violation of my Fourth Amendment right. So you should take that, and then furthermore, as for the August 21st. So you have a 6-page police report right here. It's dated April 24th. Reviewed by Daniel J. Adams. In 6 pages. Do you recall this report right here?
I can't see it where you're going to have it marked and bring it up to them so they have to look at it, okay?
She said, do what?
The court reporter, the clerk will have to mark it as an exhibit.
Okay.
Staple it all together as one document so the pages aren't moved. Let's staple it for me.
It's equal.
Right.
And also, this is the unsigned search warrant that was left at my residence right here, signed by Vanscyoc, right there. The unsigned search
You
warrant.
wanted to look at that? Is that it?
Yeah, you can mark it as exhibit 2.
Let's talk mark it as an exhibit.
Do you recall?
Did you have a chance to look at those, officer?
Yes, sir.
Did you have questions now, Mr. Barker?
Yes, do you recall signing that search warrant?
I don't see that my signature's anywhere on this.
Is your name is written on the top?
That is true. My name is written on it.
Okay, so you didn't write your name on it? Did you?
That is definitely my handwriting.
Okay, so you use that warrant? Did you use that warrant to execute?
I believe this is a copy of the face of a warrant. I don't know where you got this, so.
Well, it's on video. Where exactly?
I don't know if this is the piece of paper that this was provided to you. I don't know where you got this. What I'm telling you is for 1412 West 6th Street, there is a signed copy by a judge in the clerk's office upstairs.
Well, I will also present a video of the clerk of courts stating that the search warrant don't exist.
So if the law says they're filed with the clerk of court, why would the VA have?
I don't know, but when we go to hearing on the 22nd, I'll put it on the record that we've been trying to track down these search warrants. And that we did come here previously. They told us the clerk had them. We checked with the clerk. The clerk said they don't have them. So we went across the street. We checked your original file. They weren't in your original file with the exception of 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then we asked the clerk, and the clerk said they only get what the prosecutor gives them. And then I asked them where they housed, and they said the prosecutor's office. So now we're back at the prosecutor's office.
We don't get police reports, we don't get originals of search warrants and things.
Okay.
They don't send that to us.
I filed that with the clerk's in records on March 24th, 2017. The actual video footage of Racine County Clerk's office, Racine County Felony Case office, and also Racine County PA office telling me and my attorney Tony Young we was there doing for inspection of records, and they told us that the search warrants don't exist. So if they're there now, I don't know how they're there. But so you're saying that you did not. You entered the door with a search warrant signed by a judge. That's what you're saying?
What I'm saying is that I cannot verify whether this is the piece of paper I got this or where you got this from. What I'm stating is that there is a signed search warrant by a judge for 1412 West 6th Street that was executed on that date.
But you're not answering my question. I'm asking you. Okay, maybe there is a signed search warrant now, but I'm asking you, did you enter the door of 1412 West 6th Street using that warrant?
I have no idea.
You know?
I don't.
So if you got the search warrant signed on April 22nd, why breach the door with an unsigned search warrant?
You were provided a copy, I believe, of a signed search warrant, and it was signed by a judge and either the district attorney or assistant district attorney at the time. How you got a copy of an unsigned search warrant as a copy, I don't know. So I know there is a signed search warrant available to you that was signed by a judge and either the district attorney or assistant district attorney before we served the search warrant.
But why execute the unsigned search warrant if there's already a signed search warrant?
Again, I don't know who gave you the copy of the unsigned search warrant, but I believe that that was just a copy. So there is a signed search warrant available at the clerk of court's office.
So you saying that this is the reason why I need the video. The video, this search warrant signed by you at the top is being executed.
I don't believe that's my signature. It may be written my phone number and my name, but that's not my signature.
Also, now you deny this ain't your signature. At the lab, you test.
I believe what you have there is my name and phone number. It's not my signature, though. So what I'm saying is that I don't know how you got that copy. Somebody must have provided it to you.
Okay.
But there is a signed search warrant that was signed by a judge and either the district attorney or an assistant district attorney that was signed prior to executing the search warrant at her residence.
A Racine County Sheriff's deputy is under investigation tonight.
He's facing questions after a substantial amount of money went missing during a death investigation. CBS 58's Lindsey Branwall joins us live in Racine with some exclusive details. Lindsey.
Bill and Kate, the Walworth County District Attorney says he's the special prosecutor in the case against a Racine County deputy. The letter addressed to Racine County District Attorney Tricia Hansen and Racine County Sheriff Christopher Schmaling says the lieutenant was questioned after a significant amount of money went missing from a dead body. The lieutenant denied stealing money, but the letter says the lieutenant was untruthful about who he spoke to, where he was, and who handled the money at the scene.
Like, I just want justice.
The Walworth County Assistant District Attorney sent the letter to James Barker, too.
I just received that Friday by email, wasn't expecting it.
Haley Johnson says she reached out to Barker because the lieutenant in question is a potential witness in his separate criminal case.
They got a warrant to go on my car?
Barker is trying to get the case dismissed on the grounds the lieutenant served a fake search warrant.
Occupants, curtilage, vehicles parked on the curtilage or streets associated with occupants.
Wisconsin statutes 137.01 section 4 states that all documents must have a notary seal. None of them had a notary seal.
Barker says he tried to file a subpoena for the lieutenant and was told he's on administrative leave. And we made multiple attempts to try to speak to the Racine County Sheriff's Office, but haven't yet heard back. Reporting live in Racine County, Lindsey Branwall, CBS 58 News.